Hey, what's up? So currently I don't have a microphone for my computer at all. I've been trying to yell at these noobs on Apex and I can't. And I can't communicate with teams, so, I lose a lot. And I've had different microphones over the time, but I decided to finally get something that was pretty much the best. Luckily for mics that you can use on your desktop, you don't have to spend ridiculous amounts of money. So obviously for some people, the mic I got is a lot of money, but compared to all the mics out there, I found this to be a reasonably priced microphone. This is the Shure SM7B, which is pretty widely considered to be the podcasting microphone. Podcaster's microphone. So I wanted to get all my audio off the computer's onboard audio chipset and use an external device in order to control everything. I don't know, I'm still holding this up near my face. So I have a couple podcast ideas that I'll probably go over in a later video. So I wanted to get something with really good quality and something I know will work. So we'll be doing some testing with this microphone and I'll have a review, or like my review of it, coming later. I currently don't have a lot of content on my channel, so I'm trying to, spread it out. So because this microphone is a dynamic microphone and not a condenser microphone, I know you have to be close up on it, and I don't really know too much about like equalizing and doing that stuff for dynamic microphones because I've never used one. So I'm gonna have to be doing some learning as well during this time while I'm testing it out. And for future content that has to do with anything that I'm doing on my computer, I can definitely have some sort of good audio source that I can use while recording instead of trying to figure out some sort of, external source that I have to sync up, and I think it'll just work out smoother. And as stated in the beginning, it's gonna be my way to communicate with other people while I'm gaming. I don't play too many games. I actually limit myself to only playing 2 video games, so, it'll be somewhat useful there. I don't want to waste a lot of time because I'm really excited about this microphone and I want to get it set up and really start using it. See you in the next video.